Hello students, how are you? I am GP sir. Today I shall start physical chemistry for class 12's NCERT syllabus for CBSE, ICSE and UP boards. Today I shall teach you the second chapter of physical chemistry solutions. Introduction in the series of the introductions, the solution, solvent and solutes I teach you today. The introduction of solution. It is homogeneous mixture of two or more substances which lose their individual identities and cannot be separated by simple method. In the different types of the I can say the solutions are homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components. The two components are solute and solvents. In any solutions, I have found the minimum two components, maximum many components. But the two components are solute and solvent. Solute, that components in which presents in the solutions small amounts are called the solute, and the solvent, that component in which presents in the solutions a large amount are called the solvent. Example is 20% of ethyl alcohol. 20% of ethyl alcohol or ethanol, we can say that in this solution, in these solutions have 20% ethanol and 80% water. Ethanol is solute and water is solvent. It is the solute and it's also the solvent because it is the small amount, about 20%, but water is 80%, so that it calls the solvent and ethanol are solute. Many examples I have found the mixture of sucrose and waters. If the solutions are 20% of sucrose and waters, we can say that 20% of sucrose is solute and the 80% of the water, it is also called the solvent. On the basis of the states of substances, solutions also divides in three types. That three types are gaseous states, gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and solid solutions. The gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and solid solutions also divided in three subdivisions. For this type, the solutions also divided in 9 parts, or solutions may be divided in 9 types, which are given below. Here we can write to the types of solution, solute, solvent and example. Here also can write serial number. The first type is gaseous solution. The first type is gaseous solutions. The gaseous solutions have the solute is gas and solvents is also gas. The examples are air. We know that in the air I have found the 21% of oxygen, 78% of nitrogen and 1% of other gases. So that air is the gaseous solutions in which you found the gas is solute and also the solvent is gas. It is also divided in three subdivisions. The first gas and the second gas liquid. Gas liquid. In these solutions I have solute is gas and solvent is liquid. The examples of chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. Chloroform mixed in nitrogen gas. The third type of the gaseous solutions are called the gas in solid. Gas in a solid. In this type of the solutions, the solute is gas and solvent is solid. The example of camphor in nitrogen gas. The examples of camphor in nitrogen gas. The second type of solution is liquid solution. Liquid solutions. It is also divided in three subdivisions. The first, gas in liquid. The first, liquid gas. In these solutions, the solute is liquid and solvent is gas. The examples of liquid gas, soft drinks. In these solutions are examples soft drinks or cold drinks. All the cold drinks are the liquid gas solutions. In the two components, solute is liquid and solvent is gas. Solute is gas, solvent is liquid. Gas and liquid. The second type is the solutions also liquid, 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 liquid. In these solutions, solute and solvent both are the liquids. Many examples are found in this type of the solutions. Example is ethanol. In the ethanols, I have found the ethanol and water. Both are the liquid states. The third type of the solutions is solid in liquids. The examples of solutions of hydrogen in palladium. Solutions of hydrogen in palladium. In this type, the third type of the solutions is solid solutions. Solid solutions. Solid solutions also divide in the three subdivisions. The first, gas in solids. Gas in solids. In these solutions, the solute is gas and solvent is solid. The examples of these solutions is amalgam of mercury, amalgams of mercury in amalgams of mercury. But next type of the solutions is liquid in solid. Liquid in solid. These solutions also known is the smokes. Note, it is the amalgam of mercury. Gas solids are smokes, and its are amalgam of mercury in sodium. Mercury in sodium. The next type of the solutions is solid in solid. Solid in solid. In this type of the solutions, both solute and solvents are solid states. The examples of copper mixed in the gold. Copper mixed in the gold. Here you can see the solutions, the base on the states of substances. Solutions division in the three types: gaseous solutions, liquid solutions, and solid solutions. Due to the base of solute and solvents, it also divided in the three subdivisions. For in this type, it's also maybe 9 types of the solutions. Here the first, gas in gas, example is air. Second, gas in liquid. Gas in liquid, chloroform mixed in nitrogen. Third, gas in solid. Gas in solid, example, camphor in nitrogen gas. Liquid solutions, gas in liquid, soft drinks or cold drinks. Liquid in liquid, ethanol. Solid in liquid, solutions of hydrogen in palladium. The third type of solid solutions, gas in solid, smokes. Liquid in solids, amalgam of mercury in sodium. Solid in solids, copper mixed in the gold. In this lecture, I teach to you the introductions of solution, solute, solvents, and on the basis of the states of the substances, types of the solutions. Thank you.